Hey everybody, just wanted to show you what we're working on today. We're cleaning a restaurant that we regularly do. Been doing this for years now. And I have some friends helping me today, so we're not alone. My friend Angie and Haley are here giving us a hand. But I've been doing the vacuuming in this part here, and just wanted to show you kind of what we're up against. A lot of spills. This place gets a lot of traffic. Lots. As you can see, these traffic areas here as we go down the spots. Look at all this. And this is just in the regular areas, and it, you know, watch as it the truck mount going there. Go through. Bit much. This is 8 months of no cleaning. So you can see, look at all these spots. On average, we usually recommend that restaurants clean their carpets once per month. 3 months in between max. Don't go further than 3 months, because the longer you wait, the harder it is to clean, and the chances are much greater of it not coming out so well. This is 8 months worth of stuff. But anyway, let's show you what everybody's doing. We got our work cut out. We have Angie over here. She's doing the vacuuming on this part. That's gonna be fun there. We have Haley over here running the wand. How's it going? Cool. So, yep, we're trying. We'll see how it goes. Wanted to show you what low moisture cleaning can do for you. This is that restaurant, and we're doing one area with low moisture. You can see that's already done compared to this. We'll watch as I go through this soiled area here. Look at that. Even on tough restaurant carpet, we can low moisture clean. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't. They're wrong. I do both, I can tell you right now. They're both awesome. But look at that. Looks good, right? Mwah, 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 mwah. So we're still making our way over there. You can see the difference from here to there. Pretty wild, huh? Alright, just want to show you guys the progress. Bam! Much better. Man, check it out. Holy smokes! Where'd it go? Tell me again how my low moisture system doesn't work. Huh. Low moisture cleaning versus hot water extraction. Today, low moisture cleaning is winning. But it doesn't win every time, just like hot water extraction doesn't win every time. It's all about having the right method for the job. Well, in chemistry too. Hey, we're just finishing up. Check out these results. Really good. Took a lot of effort, but we made it happen. I don't know if you remember how bad this was. Better. Over down here. Not 100%, but oh my goodness. Over down here. Over there. Better. There you have it. Another job well done. Have a good one.
Three,